This is a 2009 GMC Acadia. It features a 3.6-liter 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, 3-zone automatic climate control, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a rear seat DVD entertainment center, a low tire pressure indicator, roof rails, CD player which is capable of reading MP3s, side impact airbags, cruise control, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a power rear liftgate, and this vehicle has fewer than 59,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.